The word we'll be learning in this video is suite, which you will often hear in discussions involving data analysis or making predictions. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, "We can estimate the costs next month. His age is an estimation based on his appearance, and the forecast was not an accurate estimate in Japanese." Let's get started. Suite. Suite. The word suite means estimation or inference. It refers to the act of making an educated guess or conclusion based on available information. The first kanji means to push or to infer and often relates to recommending or proposing something. It appears in words like suisen, which means recommendation, where the idea of pushing someone forward is present. It also appears in seishin, meaning to propel or promote, showing the sense of moving something ahead. The second kanji means to fix, decide, or settle, and carries a sense of setting limits or establishing something. You see it in yotei, meaning a plan or schedule where things are set in place. It also appears in gette, meaning a decision, emphasizing the act of determining or finalizing. He makes an estimation of the results. 彼は結果を推定を行う。彼は結果を推定を行う。His age is estimated. 彼の年齢は推定される。彼の年齢は推定される。This data is based on the estimated value. このデータは推定値に基づいています。このデータは推定値に基づいています。His estimated result on the exam was good. 彼の試験の推定結果は良かった。彼の試験の推定結果は良かった。The most common synonyms of the 推定 are 推測 and 見積もり。推測 refers more to guessing or inferring without all the necessary information, while 見積もり is often used in the context of cost estimates or approximations, making it more specific than 推定. The most common antonyms of the 推定 are 確定 and 詳細. 確定 means certainty or confirmation, indicating a firm conclusion, and 詳細 refers to details or specifics, highlighting the absence of ambiguity that contrasts with the nature of estimation.